1 in 5 children in Germany suffer from neurodermatitis. In the last decade, the spread has reached epidemic proportions. More than a quarter of the population in developed countries is affected by this condition. But the causes are still largely undiscovered. Professor Young-Ah Lee wants to change all that. The physician is studying hereditary trigger allergic diseases in children, especially neurodermatitis and food allergies.
Allergic diseases are the most common diseases in childhood. They include atopic dermatitis, hay fever, asthma, and food allergies, for example. And current treatments are purely symptomatic. They're never causal treatments, which is unsatisfactory for the patients. So the goal of my group is to find the genetic causes, the genetic determinants of allergic disease in order to develop causal treatments in the future.
Using molecular biological techniques, Lee's team wants to identify genes that increase the risk of atopic dermatitis and other allergic diseases by extracting them from the blood of affected patients and comparing them with the DNA samples of healthy people. Young-Ah Lee, together with colleagues, has found a gene that, when mutated, increases the likelihood of developing neurodermatitis. This gene contains the blueprint for a newly discovered protein called collagen 29. In healthy people, this collagen is active in the outermost skin layer, the epidermis. It is, however, missing in atopic dermatitis patients.
The aim of our work is to use our findings of the genetic studies, the genetic determinants of allergic disease, in order to improve the treatment of allergies in the future. And one of our major goals is to develop preventive strategies based on this information. Genetic studies have shown that immune defense mechanisms play a very important role in this, and it would be conceivable for the future that we modulate the immune response in the future, for example through vaccination, in order to prevent allergic disease.
Through the close cooperation of MDC and Charité, can Young-Ah Lee combine her research with clinical work. The latest scientific discoveries can be used to directly benefit her patients. This means that finally there is hope that they can alleviate the suffering of children with allergic diseases in the future.